Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Frostbitten Paradise puzzle in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete the Spire of Ringing Truth in the Either Rest puzzle before you're able to go in this island. We have detailed videos for both puzzles in the channel, so please make sure to check it out. If you just completed the Either Rest, follow the path behind leading towards the Sky Gate and activate it. Walk towards that platform with the fan. Use Nature's Snare on this fan to activate the platform, which will push us across towards the platform with the teleporter. Once you're here, make your way in front of the entrance and pick up the laser cube on the floor. Place it on the platform to your right, aimed at the gem, which will remove the barrier on the entrance. Just to the left of this entrance, stand on this square floor switch to open the gate leading to the room below. Head down, then grab this battery. Line it up on the socket and use either force palm or force current to place it in. Grab the laser cube to our left, then place it on the floor behind us aimed at the gem. Fly across this corridor and a room on the right should open up. Grab the laser cube, then place it on the conveyor belt facing right. Then grab the power core and place it on the small pillar, which will then activate the conveyor belt. Behind this conveyor, a barrier should open up, which will allow us to grab the laser cube from the first area of the room. Now place this laser cube on the floor facing the gem on the right. Grab the power core and remove it from the pillar. Doing this will bring back the laser cube we placed earlier on the conveyor belt. Grab this cube and place it on the floor facing the gem on the left. This should remove the barrier between the two gems in front of us. Grab the small batter inside and take it out of the room. Now take one of the laser cubes again and place it on the conveyor belt facing to the right. Place the power cube back on the small pillar to activate the conveyor belt to open the barrier at the back. Now grab the other laser cube and place it back on the original spot where we got this, which was outside to the left. Grab the battery and place it as far as you can in this corridor. Go across this corridor, then grab the battery again. In this room, place the battery in the socket and do a force palm or a force current to place it in. This should activate the teleporter, which will take you to the final area of this island. Turn around, then crouch in the center of the circular device, then do a force palm. Claim your artifact and you can now follow the path to your right to get to the final island. And that's how to solve the Frostbitten Paradise puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.